Alright, today let's learn how to create groups in Microsoft Entra ID. So here in the search bar, we got to search Microsoft Entra ID. So here we will get many options. So please make sure we don't want to select marketplace. We're going to select these under the services Microsoft Entra ID. Let's click on it. Now here in the add, we need to click the drop down, and just like the user, uh, we can create a user, but for group we need to click on the group since we want to create a group this time. Now let's select the group type. We can select security or Microsoft 365. Let's give a group name. I'll give like demo group or something, because please make sure the group name is available. So demo group 123 or something should be unique. Then the description. So this is a demo group tutorial something, because I'm doing it. Next, we'll click on the create button in the below. So it shows successfully created the group. Now once the group is created, we need to browse into the group so that we can add members. So under the manage, I'll go to groups. Now since I have created a Microsoft 365 group, I'll go here, or directly we can go over here. It will contain all the group. But for now, since I am 100% sure because I just created it, I know it is a M365 group. I'll go click here. Now here in the search bar, we need to search for the group name. I know it's demo group, and there we go. The demo group, I'll check mark this, and I'll just open this. And once I open, I'll find members here. In order to add members, I need to add it. I'll click on the members. Now if you look, it is vacant. Now here we will search the members which we need to add. I'll add one dummy user here so that it appears in the members. Let's search for it. I'll click on add member. Let's select it. Once searched, I'll click on select, and there we go. Member successfully added, it says. We just need to reload this page in order to reflect the member, and there we go. Once we refresh it, we will able to find the new member added here. So that's what it goes. Now let's say I want to go to my overview, and this time let's say I don't need this demo group. I'll click on delete and delete group, and the group is now deleted. So that's what it concludes for this tutorial: how to create a group in Microsoft Entra ID, add members, and delete it if not required. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.